Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find ED replies on X app. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your X app on your phone. As you open it, you have something like this on your main screen. So now, for example, if you want to find ED replies, you have to tap on a particular post. You don't tap on the image, make sure you tap on the text part of the image. I'm just going to tap on this. Now you can see these are the available comments under the post. So if I want to see the ED replies, I just have to tap on this three dot icon at the top right corner of the screen. I'll tap on it. I'll just tap on view ED replies. So I'm just going to tap on it. Then currently there is no ED replies for this particular post currently, and that is how to check ED replies on X app. If I find you helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.